Good evening, students. This is the Q&A session 8 from the playlist of Heat and Thermodynamics. The topic is the apparent expansion in liquids, and this session is in continuation of the session number 7, in which we have studied about the apparent expansion in the liquids. So with regards to this topic, I have taken one question which is written here on this board, and the question is: the apparent coefficient of expansion of a liquid in a copper vessel and the silver vessel is C and S respectively. So if A is the linear coefficient of expansion of the copper, then find the linear coefficient of expansion of the silver. So in the previous session, that is in the session number 7, we have studied that gamma R is equal to gamma A plus gamma V, where gamma R is the coefficient of real expansion of the liquid, gamma A is the coefficient of apparent expansion of the liquid, and gamma V is the coefficient of volume expansion of the vessel in which the liquid is kept. So here we have been given the apparent coefficient of expansion of the liquid in the copper vessel as C. So by using this equation, I will be getting gamma R. Now gamma R is the coefficient of real expansion of the liquid, and the coefficient of apparent expansion of this liquid in the copper vessel is C. So C plus, and this is the gamma V is the coefficient of volume expansion of the vessel in which it is kept. Now we also know that alpha is equal to beta upon 2. This is equal to gamma upon 3, and this is the relation which we have studied in the previous session. So from here, this gamma will be equal to 3 times of alpha, where alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion. So here the linear expansion of the vessel in which this liquid is kept. So if A is the linear coefficient of expansion of the copper, then gamma will be equal to 3 times of A, because this will be equal to 3 into A, because alpha is equal to A in this case, so this will be equal to 3 times of A. So this is the first equation which I have got. Now let's come to the second part of this question, that is the apparent coefficient of expansion of this liquid in the silver is in the silver vessel is S. So gamma R will be equal to S plus 3 times of the linear coefficient of expansion of the silver vessel. So here let us say the this linear coefficient of expansion of the silver vessel is alpha. So I will be getting another equation, that is gamma R will be equal to S plus 3 alpha. So from the equation number 2, the alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion of the silver. This will be equal to gamma R minus S upon 3. Or we can say that this gamma R is equal to C plus 3A from equation number 1. So I will be just substituting this value in the equation, in this equation. Say this is the equation number 3. So I will be substituting this value of gamma from equation number 1 in this equation number 3, and I will be getting the value of alpha as C plus 3A minus S divided by 3. So the coefficient of linear expansion of the silver is equal to C plus 3A minus S divided by 3. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same topic, that is apparent expansion in liquids. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.